Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question 10. The material used to slow down the neutrons in a nuclear reactor is A. Boron, B. Copper, C. Graphite, and D. Uranium. So we're asked to pick an option which is the material used to slow down nuclear reactors. Now, materials used to slow down nuclear reactors are what we call them moderators of nuclear reactors. Any material that is used to slow down nuclear neutrons in a nuclear reactor are called what? Moderators. We call them the moderators of nuclear reactors. They help to slow down the neutrons. In some other terms, you can call them what? Coolers. So they are moderators of nuclear reactor that slows down what? Slows down neutrons. Now, an example of a material that is used to slow down neutron is the uranium. Uranium is a typical example of a material used to slow down neutrons in a nuclear reactor. So uranium is known as a moderator of nuclear reactors, and that is option D, uranium, which is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.